Hey everyone, Vivo recently unveiled its highly anticipated Vivo X200 series at Beijing's WaterCube, and we were fortunate enough to get early hands-on experience with the X200 Pro. As the Pro model in the series, it boasts premium design, cutting-edge hardware, and AI-driven features, making it one of the most talked-about flagship devices of the year. Let's dive into our first impressions of this promising device. From the moment you unbox the Vivo X200 Pro, it exudes luxury. Our review unit came in the blue sapphire color, a stunning shade that evokes the look of ocean waves at night. While this aesthetic might not be for everyone, it's undeniably striking and unique. The phone's metal frame and flat edges give it a solid, premium feel, akin to other high-end flagships. One of the most striking design elements is the camera island, which dominates the back of the phone. It borrows design cues from the X100 Ultra, with a massive presence that can't go unnoticed. Despite housing only 3 lenses, the 4th lens is purely decorative, giving the illusion of an additional camera and adding symmetry to the design. The nearly flat display is a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel, offering a crisp and vibrant visual experience. It's ideal for those who prefer a flatter screen for easier handling, while still delivering high-quality visuals with rich colors and deep blacks. One of the biggest talking points of the Vivo X200 Pro is its camera system, which is nothing short of impressive. Vivo's collaboration with Zeiss continues, with the X200 Pro equipped with a new Sony LTY-818 sensor for the primary camera. In terms of optics, the phone carries over the 200 megapixels APO telephoto lens from the X100 Ultra, with a 3.7x zoom that provides excellent detail without distortion. When it comes to video recording, the X200 Pro doesn't disappoint. With support for 4K at 120 frames per second and 8K at 30 frames per second, it's more than capable of handling high-end video production. In low-light conditions, the phone performs admirably, producing detailed and well-lit footage. The new portrait video mode is a game-changer for mobile content creators, offering excellent depth and clarity in both standard and low-light scenarios. Under the hood, the Vivo X200 Pro is powered by MediaTek's latest Dimensity 9400 chipset. It's safe to say the X200 Pro's performance will be more than sufficient for any high-end tasks. Features like offline document summarization, image styling, and instant translation are a welcome addition, especially for users who like to stay productive on the go. One feature that particularly caught our eye is Circle to Search, where you can circle any object on the screen to search for more information, activated by simply holding 2 fingers on the display. It's a convenient tool that adds to the overall fluidity of the phone's interface. Although we haven't yet conducted comprehensive battery tests, our initial experience suggests the X200 Pro offers excellent battery life. Vivo's focus on optimization, coupled with the power efficiency of the Dimensity 9400 chipset, means the phone should easily last a full day with heavy usage. We'll have more details on this in our full review. Based on our early impressions, the Vivo X200 Pro is shaping up to be a strong competitor in the high-end smartphone market. Its premium design, powerful camera system, and AI-driven features make it a phone worth considering, particularly for photography enthusiasts. The large camera bump might not appeal to everyone, but for those who prioritize camera performance, it's a trade-off worth making. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.